enter institute code, and here select the admin and enter login name and password. Now I am explaining the apply payment. Apply payment after completing of fee structure and fee setup. We are going to do the apply payment. First, we open accounts module, select apply payment, and select the class and section and student. After that, the fee details will appear. Choose the correct fees type and click action. Fill the required details. After that, click save. An alert message will appear asking payment is correct. If you select yes, the payment will completed. After the completing the payment, click on the download symbol and take a printout.